everyone and welcome to the fourth chapter of your fashion and lifestyle diary, High Life Dubai. As always, your glam team is working round the clock to bring you all the hottest happenings in this happening city. आज के एपिसोड में हम आपको फिर से दिखाएंगे फैशन की दुनिया के जलवे और हम शुरू करेंगे हिंदुस्तान बॉलीवुड की सबसे जानी मानी पर्सनालिटी मनीष मल्होत्रा से और देखेंगे उनका नया ब्राइडल कलेक्शन. Fashion without footwear is like Dubai without designer brands, and that's why we pay so much attention to shoe brands. Come with us to witness the launch of Gina shoes at the luxurious Dubai Mall. उसके बाद हम मिलते हैं बैंकर टर्न आर्टिस्ट और ज्वेलरी डिजाइनर करिश्मा रूपानी से और देखते हैं उनके खूबसूरत क्रिएशंस. And then we meet Dr. Parasha, specialist plastic surgeon who's recently launched a new aesthetic transformation center at Al Wasl Road. Our next stop is the Naturbeast's super exclusive event to launch their latest product, Pure Serum. Our lifestyle guru for the week is Rujuta Divekar, who you all know is the woman behind Kareena's slim and svelte body. And finally, in High Focus, we focus on the Home Center charity event. Quite a lineup, isn't it? Let's get moving Dubai and experience the high life yet again. Manish Malhotra needs no introduction. The man is a fashion genius who somehow just manages to get it right every single time. Manish is no stranger to Dubai. Recently, he teamed up with 7 designers and formed a high fashion boutique called Studio 8. I never miss an opportunity to meet Manish when he is here, which is why I was very excited to go over to Studio 8 to capture on camera his fabulous new bridal collection.
I feel over the years my label's known for a certain kind of style, certain kind of design, certain kind of clothes, and we are trying to enhance that even further, but stick to the genre. So it's basically opulence. For me, clothes is luxury. How your show is High Life Dubai. My clothes represent that, and I'm not shying away from that. I'm not intellectualizing that whole, my ideas or my designs. I feel yes, it is a luxury brand. And that's what we represent. The collection had a lot of colors of sand and beige, which is something that I love. Off-whites, moss green. It had lots of greens. Because I just felt that I wanted to go away from the typical bridal colors. I've always been known for colors. I use a lot of colors. In fact, today the collection that's in my store here in Dubai and Studio 8, I've also got lots more colors because here is a showing. But in the fashion show, that's the one which I did for Lakme Fashion Week and at the Kolkata Fashion Week, I wanted the colors, a bride to think beyond those colors. I don't want her to always stick to the pinks and the reds. So red being just a stroke. It's very challenging because you have to keep coming with something new in that specific genre. It's very easy for me to go and do completely, say, a kitsch collection or a tribal-based collection or anything like that. That would be easier. But to stick by what I do, where people perceive me as, and constantly come out with different stuff is taxing at times, but fun.
I've been admiring Manish's designs for many years and personally love most of his creations as they exemplify feminine beauty, which is so important for a woman, isn't it?
Manish's clothes are always very, very glamorous, very new, very different. And every season, one piece is a must-have.
Very nice colors, very nice cuts, and the saris are really pretty in the nets. So definitely a very festive collection, something to look forward to for the coming season.
It's a fantastic collection. I love Manish's designs. I've been wearing his designs for many, many years now.
He's used lovely colors and his fabrics and the flow. I think you can't go wrong with Manish. He's amazing and you can't get better than him.
And this time he has used very, the shaded, very light gold, not the very prompt gold, with a lot of patchwork, a lot of chiffon, and a lot of salwar kameez, and you feel the festival collection. I think it's one of his best kind.
He's iconic where colors are concerned, fashions, cuts. I think for Indian clothes, no one can beat Manish. Nobody. And I swear by him, and I only wear him. Thank you.
Bollywood beauty Amrita Rao was also in town, and we caught up with her.
Always a pleasure to parade in Manish Malhotra's clothes, because when it comes to Indian, nobody better than Manish. And when it comes to styling actresses in movies, I think Manish has created new definitions of contemporary fashion. So he's a good friend and I'm really, really glad to be here.
Speaking of feminine beauty, reminds me of a stunning lady who has been referred as one of the most beautiful women of the world. And no, it's not Ash who I'm talking about, but the Italian beauty Gina Lollobrigida. Gina ruled the hearts of men all over the world. One such man was Ranbir Kapoor, who named his daughter Lolo after this gorgeous actress. And the other was a man called Mehmet Kurdash. Gina's shoes is his creation and his dedication to the Italian beauty.
The brand Gina has come from London. The founder of the business, my father, started just over 54 years ago in London. We're British all the way through. They're all made, handmade, high quality luxury shoes made in London. Wonderful designs, wonderful looking shoes, shoes to tempt women. We, as we've been in business a long time, and 20 years in the UK, we work a lot with stylists, we work with films, we work with royalty, we've worked with the likes of Madonna, we've worked with all kinds of different people. The Dubai customer has been buying Gina for a long time. We see them in London. We see a lot of Middle East customers coming to our stores in London, and we know they love the shoes. Instead of them having to make the trip to London, we're now on their doorstep, and we welcome everybody to come here and experience and look at the shoes. Come and try them.
Dubai is constantly witnessing the influx of so many internationally acclaimed brands. And my job is to sum it all up for you right here on your show, High Life Dubai. It's time for me to take a short break. See you in a bit. Coming up is a chat with a jewelry designer, Karishma Rupani, and also cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Parashar.